Xander, are you upside down under the dash with your legs in the air again? Oh, nothing new. He does his best work on his back from what I hear. Anyway, he's sealing off the rest of the holes in the firewall. I'm starting on painting over here. And we really don't need to mask the fenders, as it's all coming off and going to the body shop anyway. So that actually is going to save us some time, which, you know, also saves Bill a little money. So I'm going to get this all shot. It'll look real good. Then that'll be done. All right, so first couple light coats are in. I still got to get back to the firewall there. But man, we are looking good. It's coming along. Get a little bit more tidy up and clean up. A couple more coats. But we got plenty of paint, so we're going to be all right. I had to get in there and get the frame rails and all that. But I'm going to let this first little coat dry, then I'm going to actually climb in there and paint. It'll be easier. Get all that done. And then we'll get started on taking that carpet out, I believe. All right. Not much paint, not much video in action because it's hard to paint and video at the same time. But I just got a little bit more to do. Touch up this, get on this side of the radius arm bracket. Just some little onesie-twosie spots. But for the most part, we're there. It's looking really good. Way better than where we were. Oh. Got the hinges too, and they're gonna, all this comes apart at the body shop anyway, so all good there. Hi Xander, what are you working on?
The center console pulling it.
Gotcha. You guys getting the console out. We'll tag team getting the seats out real quick, and we'll get that cruddy ass carpet out. And then it's ready to go to the paint shop.
Yeah.
Just gotta wait for them to tell us. Probably next week. Scotty and I'll roll it over there while you're in Texas.
I'm from Texas.
Brr. Hey. Bonus points to anybody who in the comments knows who that is. Hey. All right. So I'm gonna finish painting here, and when I climb out of here, I'll get video of Xander pulling the console. He'll actually probably get a video of him working on it, and then I'll jump in and get more. All right. Cool. I'm gonna keep painting. All right. We're good. Don't worry about the steering box. That's getting replaced. We are good. I'll let this dry. And then we're going to get on to the rest of the interior. And this should be going to paint next week. What do you think, Mama?
Looks good.
Yep. Definitely looks good. Just got to let it dry. And we'll get some good pictures of it in the sun once it's dry. All right. I'm going to go have some coffee now. Way better.